Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be unboxing and putting together a brand new dump cart made by Gorilla Carts, man. It's 7 cubic feet and I'm excited to use this thing. I've been needing one of these for a long time. Let's get right to the video. So step one is right there. They even have it marked with a 1. Doesn't get much easier than that. You don't even have to try to figure out which ones they're talking about or anything. It's just literally marked with a 1. I mean, guys, that is easy. It's not like they just give you a whole bunch of stuff and you got to go through there and pick the ones out. You know, it's literally marked 1. So far, putting this thing together, we're on step 1. I am loving it, you know what I'm saying? Alright guys, we got steps 1 through 3 done. Steps 4 is put the tires on, so we're going to do that. Alright guys, wheels are on. All we got to do now is flip it over, get this handle installed, and we're pretty much done. Alright guys, we only got one more step. We just got to slap the handle on and we're done. We're going to try this thing out, see how we like it. guys, this cart's freaking awesome, man. So far, so good. I'm gonna love it. Thanks for watching the video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you liked the video, if you got anything out of the video, if it helped you in any way, please give us a like. And if you got anything to say, drop it in the comments. That's it for now, and we'll catch y'all on the next video.